If you're looking to get into the shade industry, it's easier than you think. And one great way to do it is by replacing hip canopies. There are thousands and thousands of these structures across the United States. And the steel frame is going to last a really long time, but the fabric needs to be replaced every 10 to 15 years or so. And unfortunately, we also have incidents of vandalism, storm damage. There's a lot of opportunity to go in and replace these canopies. So you can go in, drive around your neighborhood, check out the local parks, and drop off your card at the school, the city, say, hey, I can get you a quote to replace this fabric for you. It's gonna extend the life of your park, your playground, your community is gonna be enhanced, and you're gonna get into the shade industry super easy.